Now, it really depends on who the seller is, who is selling you this particular phone. Because, of course, here on Amazon, it depends on whether you are getting a refurbished one or a brand new one. But if you were to get it brand spanking new from a seller selling it as brand new, then this is what it looks like. Of course, you don't care about the cable. Let's go ahead and spin this around like so. Oh, that is beautiful. Yep, not a mark on it. That is looking nice. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Oh, but look, it has the handy little on-off. The camera over there, volume right there, mute right up there. Yep, and let's go ahead and peel that. Oh, that is beautiful. Very, very nice. Okay. And let's go ahead and power this on and see if it does. And in the meantime, we are going to get our Smartish case and immediately pop it in here because I have used these Smartish cases for several iPhones and they have never, ever broken or cracked, even though I have dropped these. Now let's go ahead and power it on. The power button is right there. So we're going to go ahead and hold that down with my thumb. We're wet, and there we go. Very nice. And as we're waiting for this to power on, let's take a look at the cable that came with it. Should just be a USB-C to USB-C, but I don't know. Let's make sure it is. And oh, and yes, it is. Look at that. And of course, the USB-C is going to pop right into there. And oh, hello, hello. It is on. That is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and set this on up. Look